Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to give you guys a first impression and demo of the Revlon One Step Styler. I wanted to do the intro on here and also show you guys what it looked like all finished. This is my first time using it, so I definitely am going to do some things differently next time, but overall I did like it. I like that I have some body to my hair, but I wanted to show you guys on this camera because when I filmed it, it's in my bathroom and the lighting is a little bit yellow. It's still HD and all that, but it's not going to be as crisp as this, but I wanted you guys to actually see it because I know a lot of you guys really like that. So this is what the end result ends up looking like. But if you guys wanted to see how I ended up sectioning it, how it worked, it took me about 20 minutes to do on my hair. It was still pretty wet. It wasn't drenched, but it was pretty wet. But yeah, overall, I do really like it. Yeah, please watch the video. Let me know what you guys think. And if you got any tips for me down below, let me know. I'm kind of new to trying to do a home blowout thing. This is actually my first time trying to do that. So I don't think I failed too badly. I don't think it was a perfect win. Like I said, I'll definitely do things differently next time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Alright, thanks guys. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying out the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. I just did a get ready with me look. If you guys want to check that out, that's what I did for this. But I just picked this up. I got it in the mint shade. This is what the box looks like. I washed my hair about probably, I don't know, it's been about 30 minutes, I want to say. And it's pretty damp. It's not drenched by any means, but it's still damp. I'm going to brush it out using my wet brush. As you can see, I do have fine hair, so I do not plan on using this on high, because I think that would be crazy. You know, I washed my hair with the L'Oreal Dream Lengths, and that has heat protectant in it. I also put the Dream Lengths leave-in conditioner that has heat protectant in it, because, you know, you gotta have it. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna try out. A lot of you guys said this was really good. It is the L'Oreal Blow Dry Thermal Smoother Cream, tames frizz and heat protection. So let's see, castor oil. All right. Double checking the ingredients. It says use quarter size amount. So I will. It smells okay. I'm just going to put this, kind of work it through, rake it through my ends of my hair, my bang, back in the crown here. Trying to grow out my layers, so I do have some clips too, so we're going to section this out. And when I have it on, I'm not going to have the volume on because obviously that'll be annoying because this thing seemed loud. I turned it on just to see and it is loud. So I'll just kind of have it on so you guys can kind of see me, but not on so you guys can hear, because if not, that would be deafening. So we don't want that. So I'm going to split up my hair here. It's got some clips. Clip this up and I'll show you. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Undo it. The cord's not that long, but that's okay. Right here by thing anyway, and little nozzle things at the bottom, so let's give this a shot, need to learn to like blow it better. I don't think it looks bad. I don't know really, like I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really blow dry my hair or anything, so I don't got that much experience with doing like blowouts or anything. I looked a little crazy and frizzy at first. I put in a little bit of some anti-frizz cream. I think I should put some on my ends. But I don't think it looks bad. I think I'm just like so used to seeing my hair so pin straight that it's like weird, but I feel like I like it. What do you guys think? I do like it. I'm gonna give this more of a chance and use it up a bit more. I want to see if I did it so my hair was more on the drier side. Oh, and so you guys know I used it on the low and cool settings. I was not gonna use it on that super hot setting. I feel like my hair is way too thin for that, but I don't know. What do you guys think? It definitely has more body in it than I'm used to, which I like. I was getting kind of bored with that super flat hair, but I don't know. I'm gonna take in. I like it. I'm gonna have to get better with it, of course. You know, practice makes perfect. It was my first time using it. Um, but I'm gonna take and put some product, I think, on my ends and see how that looks. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I think I'm gonna see how this looks within an hour or so and see what I feel. But gotta admit, I really like it. I think it came out really good. My hair was pretty wet still, and I did mine under 20 minutes, so that with what you will. My hair is very thin. It just gets a little wavy, if that helps. But yeah, I don't know. I think if I just like fix like the bang area, make it a little bit more cascadey, I think that'll look better. What do you guys think? I think that's what I'm gonna do. But so far, I think I like it. I just gotta get better with it. But thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.